what do we got in our fridge here? Let's start at the door first. Some soy sauce. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, blue cheese. That's probably still not very good. Got a Rockstar, mustard, some Parmesan down here. Let's see, we got some yogurt, waffles. Okay. Looks like bacon. Ooh, Pizza Hut. I might be taking that later. What do we got up here? Yeah, some Fiji water. Fruit punch, another Rockstar back there. Kickstart. Probably mine. Some buffalo chicken. Some lunch right there. So, if you ever want to know what's in the fridge here at KOOL 101.7, that's a little look inside. So, there you go.